Right. In Australia now. Yeah, what was that?
A mining truck, I think. Like a little mining thing.
And the weather's just fantastic here.
Johnny brought the rain.
Yeah, I didn't because it's... yeah, it's not raining when I left anywhere, or it wasn't... I don't seem to remember any rain in the UK or Hong Kong or anything like that. It's definitely... Hey, that's like a European truck. You don't normally get them, do you?
Why is it European? It looks like a normal truck to me.
Well, flat-fronted, just but big. Because all the rest of your flat-fronted trucks are like completely different to that. They've got completely different grille plates and that.
We've got lots of different trucks.
Yeah.
Didn't strike me as
But on
different.
the way up, I didn't see any that I thought looked European. Personally. Yeah. Compared to the rest of them anyway, they all look different. Well, anyway.
It probably just wasn't Mack trucks are the main. Like,
yeah, but you also get the flat-fronted ones that have got the big, like shiny silver grills on mostly, or you get the Japanese-style, Asian-style trucks. There's a decent one.
Cattle truck.
Yeah, yeah, like this. You see, that's your flat-fronted ones I expect to see with those sort of things on.
I guess I just haven't been paying enough attention to trucks.
Yeah, perhaps it's not that much of an interest to you. Anyway, I'm just going to film you.
Hi!
That's Fiona. Hey, there you go. It's Trish, both my cousins. Fiona's getting married. That's me looking proper rough because no sleep yet again. God knows how long now. Ridiculous. Anyway. So I was saying it's like 14 hours since Saturday morning or something now. And it's now Thursday, whatever. Lunchtime, is it?
It's 4 o'clock. You should
not lunchtime.
No,
I should know that because we went out for lunch. Right.
It's raining, so you should sleep well tonight.
Does that work, does it?
Yeah.
Or does that depend on like your past life experiences or something?
Possibly. No.
Right.
No rain lights for everyone. Except for those sleeping outdoors.
Yeah, it don't work too well there.